patio installation part 2. Right now we are, if you can see what he's doing, we're wetting the sand. We're getting ready to compact, and the area already compacted, which is over the cement, and we're using a 1-inch paver. He is going under the string line with a paver to get the right height that we need for it to be all level and drained properly. Water is used to compact the sand, so it compacts a little tighter, and since this is a silica sand, the sand will actually bind and make a nice solid surface. We use a plate compactor. You could rent one of these at your local hardware store. You want to compact this once or twice, depending where you're working. As you can see, it's going down, as I explained in part 1, about half an inch. This would allow for 98% compaction. After compaction, you're going to want to regrade the sand so it's as level as possible. After compaction, you're going to want to re-level the sand so it's as level as possible. You want to get any holes or footsteps. Once you acquire the compaction you want, you're going to see you hardly leave any footprints once you're walking behind the compactor. You're going to be coming back with your rake and cover any holes or anything, the compactor, any marks the compactor leaves after. But as you can see, the surface from the rough sand becomes kind of unified and like one sheet. As you can see, he hardly leaves any footprints after compaction. That is actually a good sign. So